Hello students, today we are going to read about the Cartesian plane. So, we draw the x-axis and we name it as x and x dash. Same way we draw the y-axis and we name it as y and y dash. Here, where the x-axis and the y-axis meets, then that one is called as the origin. And we marked it as their 0. The left hand side of the 0 we will mark negative numbers. Then the right hand side of the 0 will mark the positive numbers. Same way in y-axis, above the 0 we will write the positive number, below the 0 we will write the negative numbers. Remember that the numbers marked in the same intervals. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So everywhere we used to write on only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that in the same intervals. Then if you are marking a point randomly anywhere in this plane, then for example if I marked here, we used to name it as 3, 2, that is in the x-axis. In x-axis we marked it as 3, then in y-axis it's 2. So we can name it as 3, 2. So that one is called as the coordinate. So we can write only x, y. The coordinates can be write only as x, y. That is 3, 2. We cannot write it as 2, 3. See, if we have written as 2, 3 means the point will lies here. That is 2 is refers for y-axis and 3 is refers for y-axis. So 2 is for x-axis and 3 is for y-axis. So that point will lies here. These 2 points are not the same. So we couldn't write it as, we couldn't change the order. We couldn't change the order while writing the coordinates. So in coordinate order is matter. Come, let us see how we can divide the Cartesian plane. So this is called the Cartesian plane. We can divide the Cartesian plane into 4 equal parts. So, and we can name it as first quadrant, second, third and fourth. We used to move on to the anti-clockwise method. So, in first quadrant, always the coordinates will lies as x, y. That is, here the positive x and the negative positive y. So, in first quadrant, coordinate are x, y. In second quadrant, the x is negative, the y is positive. So, the coordinate will be minus x, y. In third coordinate, the x is also negative, the y is also negative. So, we can write it as negative x and negative y. In fourth quadrant, the x is positive, the y is negative. So we can write it as x, minus y. So this is the way how we can divide the plane into 4 equal parts and how to write the coordinates. Come, let us see how to name. So here there are some coordinates. Can you tell me where it lies? The first is 3, 2, minus 5, 4, minus 6, minus 8, 7, minus 4, 0, 5 and 3, 0. So as it is, both are positive, so it lies on the first quadrant. Then here the H is negative, so it lies on the second quadrant. Both are the negative, so it lies on the third quadrant. Then the next one is 7 minus 4. That is, Y is negative, so it lies on the fourth quadrant. And what about this? Both are positive, but that H is 0. But the H is 0. So if H is 0, then the Y is 5. Then the Y is 5. Then it lies on the Y axis. So here. Then if it is 3, 0, 3, 0. So 3, 0. So it lies here. It lies on the X axis. So here all the points will lies on any one of the quadrant or on the axis. Thank you.